Clearbrow, North Dallas, 2024 IS500 with the V8, full wrap Expel Ultimate Plus window tint, everything but the windshield with XR Plus 30%. This car is going back to Washington. The person that owns it bought it here, and he's going to drive it back home, fully wrapped, fully protected. Let's go over the install here from Clearbrow, North Dallas. I'm glad that he chose us. Starting here with the where the A-pillars meet the fender. Everything's fully wrapped in, no lines. I think this is one of the reasons why most people choose us. We don't want lines everywhere. And most of the time on installs, there's a line right here. You can wrap in there effectively, full hood, wrapped corners, all the edges. The only thing that has an edge on this car is going to be right deep in here. There's nothing I can wrap back there, so we get as tight as we can. Bumper's fully done, all the black, except for this honeycomb stuff. The Lexus emblem's done. All this black gets done. Hood up here is fully wrapped in with the hood front piece. Headlights done. You'll see that the fenders are even capped off nicely. Hood's fully wrapped there. I mean, just everything gets nicely done. No marks from adhesive mishandling. Everything looks real good. Coming around here, real big for me is getting these off so I can wrap under this. This whole piece is all done. And then on top of that, wrapping in the moonroof. I open it up, cover the interior with tarps and things, you know, from Expel. They provide us waterproof sheeting. And then wrap all that in so there's no ugly line here. All this is nicely done. All this is done. Door handles, no edges. You wipe that off. No edges in here. Coming around this way, all nicely wrapped in under all the moldings. Again, the door handles are good. So everything looks fantastic. Tent looks good. Wing looks good. Trunk, sorry about the door, but trunk area is all nicely done. All the black down here is all done. Diffuser. So everything looks good. Nice install here at Clearbrow, North Dallas. Any questions? ClearbrowNorthDallas.com. You can get us. Phone number 214-414-3809. I'm Brent, and take care.